Well, no, I be using bottled water at home, but oop, and I keep hitting the thing. I keep hitting it. I don't know how much grits I'm finna make, but so the concoction for your grits, water, right? Yeah, I don't rinse my grits. I be needing all the starch. Some people rinse their. I don't rinse my grits. That's just me. I don't know. I feel like rinsing them be like it don't make it as creamy. Okay, baby. Good morning, Kev. Welcome, guys. Thank you for the follows. Welcome in. All right, I'm just gonna open the grits. I don't measure anything for breakfast. I measure with my heart. For dinner time, if I'm cooking something complex, then I'm gonna measure it. I also got some berries to go on the side. We do wash our berries. Oh, excuse me. Y'all good? What happened? Oh my God, what happened? Oh, why did it cut off? Did it die? You're lying. Y'all, this thing just died. See, what is the battery life? Bear with me, guys. Hold on. Bear with me. Because clearly we gotta plug this thing out. It is a lot going on right now. Give me a second. I wonder why it died so abruptly. I thought it kicked me off the live. Probably because I wasn't charging it last night. That could be a reason. Wait. Can I cut it on while it's charging? Or no? Oh, I can. Okay, we're back. Let me see. Okay. Technical difficulties. Okay, you know what? I just want to be great. I just want to be great, guys. All right, this is what we about to do. I'm about to just go get my tripod. For real, because what is happening? I'm just gonna get the tripod. These stairs are gonna be the death of me. For real, my legs be burning. And I be doing the Stairmaster. I probably won't be walking this fast though. I'm out of breath. Already, they just started. Water boiling over. Alrighty. So, did I even bring it? Okay, I did. When in doubt, always have backup. There's no stands in the house. Like tripods, yeah. I got one though. Wait. I don't know what he did with it. I can't believe the gimbal. I'm too stunned to speak right now. I think the face recognition eats up the battery more than anything. Thank you for my gift sub, Cam. All right. We're gonna let her charge. In the meantime, Imagine if I was like mid cooking steak and had to stop and do this. It would be so burnt right now. It's not okay. I need to look up what's the life expectancy of that. Again, well, I should have looked that up before I even bought it, honestly. But it hasn't been 30 days. If it say like an hour, I'm taking that shit back. Cause what? Okay. When in doubt, just thug it out. I think I could drop it one more. All right, this is cool. We're gonna just do it like this. Yeah, I'm still tired. I don't even remember what time I went to sleep last night. I should make some tea. I don't know what I want to do, guys. I just want to sleep. So we up. Let's go. All right. So let's get the steak. The Gouda cheese, the butter, and the chicken bouillon. First and foremost, I've been on Twitch since what, 2011? I meant 2021. So I need to do a little research. I've been a streamer. Thank you. Before anything. Thank you. Clock it. That's when you joined too? Yeah, tell them we OGs. We're not new to this. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna just do some steak bites. Oh, that was a fatty piece, but. Yes, I could cook. It's just different when you're not in your space and you don't know where everything's at. That's all. I look nervous. Bro, I'm cooking, ain't I? Come on. You hope I got enough steak? Why you think I'm cutting it into small pieces? Everybody get a little piece. Sub high.